All right, hello everybody and welcome. This is a product review for the Tack LIFE Power Tool Pro Heat Gun, model number HGP70AC. Got this. Quick look at the stats. We got a voltage of about 120, frequency of 60 hertz, and power at 1500 watts. It says we've got three different temperature settings, so one of about 122, 752, and about 1022 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5400 and 550 centigrade. I can't actually tell if it's going to get that hot, but for my purposes, I don't think that's going to be a problem. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so here is what actually comes in the box. Taking a look at this a little bit closer, we have a warranty card, product details, the standard user's manual, and then on the inside we have 4 different kinds of nozzles. This looks better upside down. This one thinks it says a glass protection nozzle / a fishtail surface nozzle. This one is a spoon reflector nozzle, good for soldering pipes. Soldering pipes. This is a scraper for stripping paint, or I suppose it's a cone nozzle, rather, good for shrinking and stuff. And then this one, they call it a barbecue nozzle. So fireplace, charcoal lighter, that kind of thing. I imagine myself using this one quite a lot. One of the first applications that I need to do is remove some caulk, old caulk from a tub. But I think each of these definitely serves a purpose. And then here is the gun itself. Real simple. I like the orange. It feels nice and sturdy. Actually, it doesn't feel like crappy plastic. It doesn't even have a trigger. It's just got your offsetting and then low, medium, high, indicated as 1, 2, and 3 on the back. And of course, all of your spec information on the side. Attaching anything is actually really straightforward. There's no screwing. It's just a friction fit. So this just pops on and then voila, you're set to go. Take it off, obviously, after it cools down. Same with the rest of them. And yeah, real nice. Alrighty, I've got this plugged in. Let's try it out. Well, it's very quiet. There, right up next to the mic, you can just hear it. Really, on setting 1, not bad. It is still cool to the touch. It takes a little while to warm up. I'll tell you when I start to feel warm. This is on the setting that gets up to 50 degrees centigrade. Let's see, suggestions for setting 1. Cooling of the hot parts. Cooling the machines before changing the nozzle. Okay. You know what, let's bump it up to 2 right away. Whoa, instantly, yes, okay. This is warm. My wife would say that her hands are finally warm after feeling this. And I no longer want to have my hand there. Great. I'm gonna put up a piece of wood against it and just see if it starts to smoke, because I'm curious. Let's see, we've got suggestions for applications for setting number 2, which again gets up to about 400 degrees centigrade. Drying paint, drying wet timber, removing stickers, joining adhesives, waxing and dewaxing, shrinking PVC, defrosting of icy stairs and steps. That's interesting. Yeah, as I feel this, it feels warm, but it's by no means burning. I put my hand there. Yeah, I can go for about 3 seconds before it gets, not even 3 seconds. 2. Yeah, 2 seconds is the most. So let's pump it up all the way. Yeah. All right, so this setting really has some guts, or actually, I don't want to show you, but if you look into here, maybe you can see the edges are glowing orange. So we're finally seeing a lot of heat. Way out here, if I put my hand about a meter away, it's just a nice warm air, so it's really concentrated towards the front here. Yeah, I don't want to put my hands there for too long. It's pretty hot. Let's see, applications for setting number 3. Welding of thermoplastic polymers, floor materials of PVC and linoleum, bending plastic pipes and sheets, soldering plumbing joints, loosening rusted or tightly fastened nuts and bolts, removing old coatings of paint, or disinfecting with hot air. Interesting, because at 550 degrees centigrade, you can quickly rid animal sites of bacteria. This wood is very warm. Here's some of the plastic. Going at it, you can see it shrinks up real nice. real quick. Great if you're a shrink wrapper. How about the styrofoam? Well, that just blows away. Okay. Let's see, will paper catch fire? Well, we need paper. Alright, so since it's curiosity that always kills the cat, I have a small slice of paper right here holding onto it with some tongs. And I'm just interested to see if this will smoke or catch. On setting 3. So the paper didn't catch fire, but you can see that it definitely charred and it warped. I'm a little disappointed. I thought at 550 centigrade, even hot air would have this catch on fire. This is a very dry piece of paper. Just breaks up like you'd expect. And the tip of the metal, actually, it's surprisingly cool. As I'm reading the manual, it doesn't say that it has to be going for a long time before you reach that maximum power. So, don't know what to tell you there. Let's try it on something else. I'll try it on setting 2 for a while. I'm going to take the bottom of my razor still so I can grab it. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that? It just pries right up. It's almost liquid again. And there it stops. So I haven't heated up this portion, and I haven't heated up the left of it. But now I've got this nice clean break. So as to the question of would I recommend this product, the answer is yes. It's, I mean, it's pretty affordable. It's going right now for just under 30 bucks on Amazon. There's 90 some reviews. Most of them are between a 4 and a 5, so that's great. I myself thought it was super easy to use and intuitive. It did my caulk job real well. Off camera I did some wallpaper that helped anneal the glue on the back and peel it off nice and easily. I think this will be good actually for some of my projects, getting rid of some or softening some wood glue or other things. And who knows what else. And I also learned this. Look it can stand up on its rear and you can heat stuff on the top, and this is actually how I was setting it down, so that's very convenient. Yeah, fun product, give it a shot, highly recommend. Thanks for watching. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and comment below, like this video, and if you want to see it in action, you can check out the companion video. Until next time, bye!